What is up, guys? As you can see, Jeep is already working, running healthy, so it's time for him to go to work. And today we are bringing a few stuff: radiator, alternator, coil, distributor, and the engine wiring, which means that we gotta find it in the Bluetooth. So it's either it's in the It's in the Bluetooth. I think the alternator is inside this one jack. Yeah, it is for sure in here. Radiator. I don't see any radiator though. Where is my radiator? So yeah, let's get all those. Okay, so we have found our radiator, engine harness, distributor inside here, and alternator. Alternator we can't bring that yet because it's inside the Bluetooth. It's literally inside the Bluetooth engine. I mean, yeah, part of the Bluetooth. So yeah, we have everything. And now, Miss driving this Jeep. And now let's go to Elvin. We have arrived at Elvin, the Toyota workshop. 2 doors Toyota. Paro. Jack Jeep. So I've been sleeping on the Jeep. Supposed to change the bearing, but been delaying, so I think I should change it today. My brand new bearing. Yeah. Wheel bearing is in. Yeah. So now we're gonna continue remove the sound deadening on the rear side. All these sides. But then since we're out of dry ice, we're gonna try using. Some people say that using air duster can be quite effective. So, but I've tried the first can already, but it's not that effective. So sad. Air duster. So air duster is pretty cold when you spray it. I think it's not as effective as the dry ice. The difference of not using dry ice. Oh no, the rain is coming, so I gotta close the door and prepare the shade. Got my shade up. So let's continue. Rain will not stop then. No dry ice, had to remove some deadening, so buy ice. Try with ice, baby. Ice, baby. So we have to take a few stuff that has been in Bluetooth. Basically the starter, the water input thingy, and alternator. Because that's originally actually on Panda. We have already taken out the alternator, and this, I don't know what they call this, but it's the radiator water in outlet, I don't know, but yeah, it's here. And then alternator is already out, so now we gotta take out the starter. That is the starter, 2 bolts at the back. So we have taken out the starter, alternator, and water outlet, I don't know, outlet something, blah blah blah. Let's head to Alvin now. Uyo, Everest trolley ya?
Balik shopping.
Banyak sayur?
Lai.
We have arrived at Alvin. Alvin has done some of the wiring. Alvin not sleeping on the 86, not like me. Whew. But this is not complete yet. Few more stuff need to install in. So yeah, looks good. Now we're gonna clean up the interior. Take all this stuff out and clean. We have cleared the interior, as you all can see here. So now we're gonna clean it up, preps it for more clearing of the chassis. So yeah, let's do that. So it's another day and we are already at Alvin, but this time I am earlier than Alvin. Oh, look at my panda. We've brought in a few more stuff today. Zizi was asking me to bring my 1 pair of fenders, so I brought 1 pair of fenders, need a little bit of touch up, and my supercharger to see the fitting so that we can plan a bit of the wiring, and gotta go buy some few more stuff, and then I'll head back here. We are already at Alvin. Zizi doing EJ 1000, me do 7 AGE. We gonna clean the interior now. Let's do that. Now, Mr. Daus become COVID team. It's hot to use that, but safety first. Those are those.
Supporting crew.
Ada for B1X pun sika sisi. For B1X member.
Yo, wang habis dah. Ya.
Now we're gonna paint the interior. Mau jumpa? Getah dah. Macam dah. Color like brand new. Stok daw senang kung cat to kanto. Si kacara gulus. Ooh. Marine Nippon pen. Nice. Anti-rust pen. Oh, black color.
Muka sikit.
Huh?
Muka sikit.
Smells like Teen Spirit. This is the layer that will ensure that the body won't rust after all the grinding. Woo! Windy day. Smells good. Looks good. We have painted the interior. We use Nippon, I don't know, sheep paint. So we paint it over so that it won't rust. So this is how it looks like at the moment. So we have not painted the other side because we have not done cleaning up on that side. Looks pretty good. Thank you those for helping me out today. Looks real good. And on the engine bay side, Alvin's still working on the wiring. As you can see, he mounted in the supercharger already. This is the SC14 supercharger, and yeah, and maybe a little bit of custom work have to be done because the throttle body won't be mounted here anymore. It'll be mounted on the mouth of the supercharger, just like that. This is the throttle body. So most probably the intercooler is gonna be in front here, and then yeah, goes back to there, just like that. Long day, a lot of progress. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Gigi, tutup kamera.